Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Hyundai Tucson 2019 full guide. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and gather supplies. Correct oil, new filter, wrench, oil pan, funnel, and gloves. Warm engine briefly, lift vehicle safely with jack and stands, locate drain plug and filter, drain oil fully, replace filter, reinstall plug, refill to correct level, run engine and check for leaks for safety. Start with a warm engine, then lift the vehicle using the jack and secure it on stands. Place the oil pan under the drain plug, then loosen the plug with the correct socket and let oil drain completely. While oil drains, remove the old oil filter and check for metal shavings or debris. Clean the drain area, install a new gasket if needed, and prepare to swap in the new filter and oil. After replacing the drain plug and new oil filter, slowly refill the engine with the correct oil type and quantity. Use the dipstick to confirm the level hits the full mark, and top off as necessary without overfilling. Start the engine for a short time, then recheck the filter area and drain plug for any signs of leakage. Lower the vehicle safely, dispose of used oil responsibly, and note the next service interval in your records.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.